Hello, similar. My name is Teacher Kim. I've just used 3 different languages to introduce this video. English, Khmer, and also American Sign Language. Many of our students are visual learners, and it's important that teachers use gestures, and in this case, American Sign Language, to help students retain the information that we're teaching them. This is a tip for teachers about how to teach the WH question words by using gestures or American Sign Language. For example, who? Who? Who is she? Who? Who? What? What? What is your name? My name is Teacher Kim. What? When? Like the hands moving on a clock. When? When does the class start? When? Where? Where? Where are you going now? Where? Why? Why? Why do you want to study English? Why? Which? Which is a choice. So, which? Which? Which marker do you want to use to write on the board? The blue one or the red one? Which? How? How? How did you come to class today? I rode my bike to class today. How? Now, in this video, there's a contest. If you would like to win 30-minute video chat with me, then please make a comment telling me what 3 languages that I used in the beginning of this video to introduce myself. Which 3 languages did I use? Make your comment in the section below, comment section below, and the first 2 to answer that correctly will win 30 free minutes of video chat with me to help you improve your English skills. Thank you for watching.